Hi everyone, welcome to Recipes, Preps, and Praise. I was over here putting some things together. We're going to do, we're going to do Mary Jenkins, which was one of Elvis's cooks, chefs, what do you want to call it. She was on it. We watched about 3 or 4 videos where she's on there. And every time we saw it, she made that banana and peanut butter sandwich the way we're seeing now. Well, the way I'm not.
Yummy.
You're seeing a skillet with butter in it. So anyway, I was doing it. She's got toasted bread. Real important was to toast the bread first. And then she put peanut butter on it. Then she put bananas on it. And now she's putting peanut butter on that side.
We're going to
You're going to watch some videos like this if you try to look this up on YouTube or something, and you're going to see bacon. Again, we watched 3 or 4 of her videos, and none did she put bacon on. You're going to see honey. None of those did she put honey on. Some of them tell you to use a full cup of butter on a sandwich. This is exactly what she had. So we're making it as close as to could figure if we could, except she used 1 stick of butter in her pan, so that sandwich was floating in butter. But anyway, you do that and then you fry it.
Neither one of us need that much butter. So
probably a couple of minutes on each side.
Couple of tablespoons
Of butter.
Of butter.
Yeah, ever how much butter you want. Of course, that's going to soak some up.
Yeah.
Because you're going to cook it probably, what, a couple of minutes? Well, minute.
Well, if it's not cooking
cook it until it's as done as you want it.
If it's not cooking any more than it is right now.
Yeah, it should have been hotter.
Should have been hotter. But we never do get it. I don't like electric stoves. I'd rather have a gas stove where you can.
She's not used to cooking. I do the cooking anymore. She has to watch me because I do a lot of stupid stuff while I'm cooking. But
here we are.
Forgetting to turn the burner on, forgetting to turn the burner off.
But here we are.
Putting a hot spoon rest, a plastic spoon rest on a hot burner, not even noticing it until she walks into the room. And
oh yeah, he did that the other day. Melted half of it away.
3 days ago, got a big old pile of melted plastic on the burner.
Did you turn it up?
But we got it all off. It looks.
Did you turn it up?
I turned it up, babe.
Okay.
I don't cook anything on medium. So at any rate,
I didn't want to.
So I'd probably get a little hotter before you put it in.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't notice what was on. I would have had it hotter.
It was
So, at any rate, if that sucker cooks a little bit, and she finds the flipper she wants, she's going to flip it.
Well, I could flip it and soak up the butter and then just keep cooking it.
She said Elvis wanted this a lot of times for breakfast. And the guy talking to her said, well, what time?
Looky there.
Yeah, look at there. Said, what time was his breakfast? And she said, well, whatever time he got up.
Whenever he woke up.
Yeah.
Sometimes, she said, sometimes it was 9 o'clock in the morning, sometimes it was 9 o'clock at night.
And sometimes it was 2 o'clock in the morning. Just whenever he got up and wanted something to eat, he called it breakfast, I guess.
I'm going to soak up all that.
So anyway, said she did this the first time. And she took it to Elvis, and he didn't like it. So Elvis's dad, Vernon Presley, said, "Let me show you how he likes it." So he took her in the kitchen and showed her this way, which I think the key was toast the bread first.
Toast the bread first.
And again, a whole stick of butter. And if you want to do it just like they did, it's a whole stick of butter. And that's what, probably an 8-inch pan, which looks like what she had as far as the room around the sandwich. So
I never put a whole stick of butter.
I actually put more butter in it than what Iva had. And she goes, "It's too much butter, it's too much butter." But as you can see, it probably needed more. Because it really needs to sit in there and cook a while. And it's going to need some butter to do that.
Oh, well, look at there.
And she said he liked it really, really rich. So I guess that's where the butter came from. Yeah. Probably also explains his massive weight gain, I'm sorry. She said he went on some diets a few times, that they put him on special diets, and he would have food flown in from California. I don't know what food they flew in, but you know, I'm gonna
think
imagine it was probably nuts. That's a joke. Sorry,
I think
California
it's
people.
done. I think it's done.
All right, she thinks it's done.
I think it's
If it's done, that peanut butter will be.
look at that.
Take a peek at
Peanut-
it. Yeah, it looks
Look at that
good.
peanut butter all melty on the.
Yeah, peanut butter is melting down the side. It's melted in between the bananas. I think probably the lot more butter. I don't know if I'd put a stick in it, but I
Yeah.
probably would have put a half a stick.
More butter. Okay. I'm going to take it to the table, I think.
Here, set it right there.
Okay, set it right there.
I got that.
Okay.
You're gonna cut it?
Yeah.
Cut it open, see what it looks like.
Crunch, crunch, crunch. Look at that.
Yeah, she said that's what he wanted was the crunch. Which I don't know how you get a crunch with a whole stick of butter in
See,
there.
I like the crunch because I miss eating crunchy stuff.
So there you go. Kind of pick that up and look in it and see. You probably see the peanut butter and stuff melted into the bananas and stuff better.
Oh, yummy.
Yeah. Looks good, don't it? Take a bite.
Oh, my goodness.
Good stuff, huh?
Oh, my goodness. Look,
Get addicted to that, right?
I made a mess.
Okay, guys. Y'all take care.
That's good stuff. Yummy. See y'all. Bye.
Make it, put a whole lot of butter on it. Use that, I don't know, you might even start, if I do another one, which I will,
Hold it over your plate when you eat it.
hold it on your plate when you eat it. And butter, butter, butter.
Butter, butter, butter.
She used, if you want the full Elvis experience, she used 1 stick of butter in the pan. So I don't know if you want to go that wild with her or not, but certainly more than we did. She used about 2 or 3 tablespoons, and that wasn't enough.
Oh my goodness.
All right, thanks,
that's good.
guys. Y'all have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.